Okay, so that's the CLUB Car Precedent, and I show you how we install the divider in between the seats. We will supply metal brackets. Those brackets, we supply plastic clips for assembly, a wood screw, one piece per unit, and a wrench, and that's a wooden piece which is going to work as a bracket for installing the divider under the seats. We also will supply with the bit for the screw, but we're not going to supply the driver for it. Anyway, so we start the action from by putting this wooden piece here in between the rest and the bottom part of the seat. So all you do is just push it in. This only goes one way, and push it pretty well to the center of the vehicle. So that's around the center. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that's the location. Now, once you do this, you prepare your plastic divider. The plastic divider right now is masked with plastic film. So before you install it, remove the film, and all you do is just peel the film from the plastic. This way you have a crystal clear vision across the plastic. Now, to install the plastic, you don't put the plastic in the center. You put it about 4 or 5 inches away from the center, so that the driver can access the gas pedal here. Okay, so to install oh yeah, sorry, there's one more piece. We have to put those brackets, as I said, off center, and you just tighten it with the wrench. You attach it here to the roof part. There's the rib here on the roof part, which you simply tighten it with the wrench, and that's it. You put 3 of those. So one here in the back, one in the front, which you put here where you normally put your scorecard, again off center, and one piece here in the dash where you keep your pencils and stuff like that. So there's also a rib, and you just tighten it. You don't have to do it too tight so you don't damage the vehicle, so practically just clamp it so it stays in place. Now, once those 3 brackets are installed, you put the divider inside the vehicle. Okay, so we are installing the center divider, and this will require bending a little bit the plastic, but the plastic will not crack, so you can bend it as much as you want. And we have to make sure that the grooves in the plastic fit those ribs, and will be all on the same side of the metal clamps here. So once we have this, the rest of the job is quite easy. We have 2 holes on each side of the clamp, and you pretty well just align one of them to fit it in, and then you put the clip so that you just push the head across the hole. So that's why so this clamp goes here to the front. Again, you just press it. It's good if somebody helps. This way you don't have to force the part. The last third clip goes here into this hole, and yeah, if somebody...
This one.
Oh, sorry. Wrong one. Here. You force it. And that's it. Now, the last operation is... So they're all now riveted and actually quite steady. And the last operation is to screw this wooden screw with the driver here. So you have like a little bracket, which is a piece, it's a part of the screen, and simply drive it into the, and that's it. So that's how it's installed, and it's all steady, and you can, when you sit in the vehicle, you still have a room here for the gas pedal and the driver. The driver will have a little bit more room than the passenger, but we can't put it in the center because otherwise you won't be able to use the gas pedal. Thank you.